Ding dong!
Excuse me!
Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel. I'm Kat.
I'm Jess.
And today it's time to react to the BTS Airplane Part 2 Japanese version music video.
Yes.
It came out yesterday, but again, work didn't let us watch it, and we were way too tired to do it yesterday, so we're doing it today.
Yeah,
I hope
like
you don't mind
always.
it.
A day later.
Yeah. So you just have to get used to it.
Yeah, because work is a pain in the ass.
Work for her, school and work for me.
And life in general.
Yes. But we've got BTS now, so
Let's get
What?
ready.
2, 3, go. that looks like fake love.
Holy motherfucking. Jimin is playing the piano.
Dang.
Holy fuck me, my god. Don't do it. One-year-old. I'm pregnant. No, don't do it. Wow. Oh, that. Fuck me. He looks so rich. He looks so tall. It's called camera angle.
Oh my god. Wow. Oh,
Fuck me.
wow.
Did I already tell? Yeah, fuck me. Dancing, come and slay my life.
Oh, that's
Wow. Wow. This is EK. Man, laugh at me.
Dude, help me! Look at their faces.
They look like freaking God.
Oh my god.
Don't.
My heart. Oh my. No, 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 no. Oh my god. My footsteps.
Don't look at me
Wow.
like that.
Wow.
Okay, slap me in the face. I would say thank you.
Run me over with the truck. That was a lot in 3 minutes and 47 seconds.
in my heart.
Oh wow.
It's about to combust.
It already combusted. The rain scene.
I'm not gonna say what I'm gonna say, but
No, don't. We are PG-13 even though you swore so much. I wouldn't mind.
you would die. You would break your neck.
That was our reaction to the airplane part 2 Japanese version music video.
I'm so in shock. That's going to be one of my favorite music videos ever.
They were way too wet for my liking.
Wait, do you want to know something? This is where all the BTS mafia fanfictions come to life. My dreams are coming true. We are literally speechless.
It was such a simple music video. It was literally just them dancing. There wasn't much to it, but even though it was so little, it was so much. It hit us like a train. I hate trains so. Like a truck.
It hit us like a thunder.
Like a thunder. Also, everything sounds so nice in Japanese, but also in Korean. Like those two languages, they're amazing. But I don't get. Oh no, I do get it. It's hey here, ya in Korea, and ha in Japan. That's why it's ha 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 ha. But overall, that was amazing. Okay, like I said, I hope you guys liked the reaction.
Yeah. Go stream Mono.
Go watch this music video. We're only on 5 million views. What the heck?
I think we were too occupied with the award show, and
The award show was amazing. Also, don't tell us to watch the award show. We already watched it yesterday. Thank
yeah, in case you don't know, this video comes one day later.
We know that we are late.
We know that we suck.
Okay?
No, we are awesome. We
need to love ourselves. That
Yes.
we don't want Namjoon to come for us. So
yeah, go
Okay.
stream Fake Love, go stream DNA to 600 million.
billion.
Billion.
Billion. I'm on One Direction. What the heck? I'm on What Makes You Beautiful. Literally
Yo,
just stream
stream
everything from their
Idol.
debut till now.
Yeah, or else you will never be BTS.
Retweet. Wrong platform. Like, subscribe if you liked us, if you like our faces, if you like this reaction, and we will come back soon. Hopefully, I can't promise you anything because work and school is taking over our life. So, see ya. Bye bye.